Folks, welcome to this video and welcome to the channel, guys. So guys, today we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin and where we see Bitcoin going into the future. We know now that Bitcoin ETF approval has been confirmed and they have approved Bitcoin ETF trading. What does this mean to crypto too? We will also look into it. So it means basically that people will be able to trust cryptocurrency and people will be ready, willing to invest in cryptocurrency, and we will see cryptocurrency running up like crazy. And that is what we needed, guys, to make money in the market. So far, guys, we can see here in the coin market cap, Bitcoin is the number one trending coin now, if you look, because of what just happened. And we want to have more Bitcoin trading coming into the market, and that means that people will start trusting crypto. People will start having their doubts of crypto going away. As that goes away, guys, we see now that in ranking crypto, like Bitcoin is still number one, Ethereum is at number two, Tether USDT it is at number three, Binance at number four, Solana at number five, XRP at number 6, USDT, United States digital currency. If you hear people telling you that US is moving from paper dollar to digital dollar, this is it. And actually, they are going to have IPO of this one. So they are moving away from paper dollar. So if you watch this video and you have some money in your bank, like those, remove that money in the bank and open up something like Coinbase account, or open Robinhood account and transfer that money in Robinhood or in Coinbase, and then use the like you buy this thing here in Robinhood or Coinbase. They will give you 5% per year just holding USDT. So guys, that is not the reason for today, but Cardano is at number 8, Avalanche at number 9, Dogecoin at number 10, Polkadot at number 11, and this one is at number 12. Even my favorite chain is at number 13. Wow. Oh no, Binance is my favorite chain. And then we can see Chainlink, Ticon. This Shiba Inu is number 16. This is on the volume. Guys, if you can buy this coin now, buy it. Internet Compute. If you can buy this coin, it is a very hot deal. So guys, just let me go straight now to the charts and we see. Remember, I have said buy also this one, because on the charts I'm going to bring this. So but I want to see Bitcoin on the charts. So guys, when we come to the charts, we see Bitcoin versus US dollar. Bitcoin and this one is on Coinbase. Whichever way you find it, the price will be the same, so it should not surprise you though. We see, guys, I use these charts. This is the method I use trading. This one indicates that we are going to go up, and just like that, the stock started running up. You can see the stock started running up. If I was doubting it, I would have stopped. But if I would have seen this, I would have gotten in. But now this one would have confirmed I'm going up, and then we would have arrived here, and then they will be like, oh, it want to go, but and then it will come here, and then it show me it's still going up again, and then it show me we are in upper trend, and then we go. So Bitcoin, as we speak, guys, we want to put it on a weekly chart, and we want to see what Bitcoin will say on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, it said it started going up when it was this is a 1 minute. It started going up 45,000. You see, actually, what the hell was it? This is Bitcoin on 1 minute, guys. Like it. So Bitcoin have been 45,000. Okay, you can see that. Let me put it on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, guys, because weekly chart is good, it shows the longest time. So on a weekly chart, we can see this one was the bullish moment. If Bitcoin would have broken, if Bitcoin would have gone ahead and broke this price, like Bitcoin would have gone ahead and broke this price of 15,000, its strength would have been at 1,000, but it actually made it and resisted this price. So Bitcoin did not go past this price. So Bitcoin remained up here, and then it started saying, okay, it is now confirmation, it is going up, and then confirmation, it is going up, and it is going up. So this one is on a weekly chart, but it haven't confirmed it arrived up here, so it goes down. So I can't look on the daily chart to see actually it is going down a little bit, and then we can see on daily chart it says it went from 26,000 to here, it went down, so it just started going up. So on daily chart it just shows it started going up. Remember, it has tested these 49 or 48. That means Bitcoin now, I don't see Bitcoin having a stop. If you watch the channel, you remember the last video I said that Bitcoin has no stop now. Let us put it on monthly chart. On monthly chart we put Bitcoin just the last time on monthly chart it said it was here, and I know people didn't understand 2015, like 2015 here, and then it went from there to here almost 2017, and then it came down, and then it said it is going up from these months, which was 2019, and it went up to here, and this one was 2021, and then it came down, and it actually monthly chart it had said it finished going down. So those people, if you really use this chart for monthly chart, you will have known that Bitcoin is not going to go past 15,000. But now it started going up, and guys, it just started, it haven't done anything. So Bitcoin is going to break this one. So that's why I always say I want to see Bitcoin at $300,000, something like that. This is a monthly chart. On a weekly chart, guys, if we look it clearly on a weekly chart, I want to show you something. On a weekly chart, Bitcoin has these obstacles, like 67,000 is being obstacles that it have to break these. It have to break here. It already broke it, because it is actually, when it gets to 15,000, it will have no stop. Bitcoin will have no stop, rather than running just up, because that is what we are seeing now. Like, it will have no stop at the end of the day. It will just run up. You can see here, Bitcoin will run up like crazy, guys, because this thing, when it passes this thing, it will just go and then and this is weekly chart, and it will start running up. And if it doesn't pass this thing, it goes like to $50, and it come down like maybe to 43 or 35. It will mean that is the moment it will start going up, even if it takes 3 months now. But remember, April it should be going up a lot. So guys, if you invest in Bitcoin, this is a very good deal, guys. Just another thing is this one, internet computer, guys. And I wanted to tell you that internet computer, guys, it is a very good stage of buy internet computer. It can come and pass these 80, because it has some obstacles here, but I do feel it will break these obstacles. This one is is Filecoin. I do, it has obstacle, but it have to go to 40 from these $6. So guys, if you watched